In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot CRM peoples. By the end, you'll know exactly where your contacts live, how to add them in bulk or one by one, how to tailor your data, and how to organize everything so you can work smarter in HubSpot. Start on your HubSpot dashboard and head to the top navigation. Click Contacts, then select Contacts again. This brings you to the core area where all your people are stored. Think of this as your address book plus activity history, all in one place. To add people manually, click Create Contact. Enter the essentials you want to track, such as name, email, phone number, and company. You can always add more later, so don't overthink it on day one. When you're done, click Save. This is great for quick adds when a new lead comes in from a call or a meeting. If you have many contacts, importing will save time. Click Import, choose File from Computer, and upload a CSV. During the import, map your columns carefully so data lands in the right fields. For example, map email to email, and split the name column into first name and last name if your file supports it. Accurate mapping is critical because HubSpot uses those fields to organize and deduplicate records. When everything looks correct, click Finish Import. Next, customize contact properties so you capture what matters to your process. Go to Settings, then Properties, and create a new property under Contact. Add fields like lead source, budget, or service interest to make filtering and reporting meaningful. Clear, consistent properties now will pay off later. With properties in place, segment your records so you can target the right people at the right time. Go to Contacts, then Lists, and build lists such as leads, clients, or prospects. You can also use filters to zero in on details like location, recent activity, or source. Segmentation helps you personalize outreach and prioritize follow-ups. To make your day-to-day view cleaner, set up contact views. Inside contacts, click Add View and create views like new leads, hot prospects, or follow-ups needed. This keeps your pipeline visible and actionable. If your plan includes it, use workflows to automate routine actions. You can auto-send emails, assign tasks to teammates, or move contacts into specific lists based on their behavior or properties. Even simple automation can prevent things from slipping through the cracks. Finally, track activity on each contact's record. You'll see emails, calls, notes, and deals all in one timeline. Reviewing this history before you reach out helps you stay relevant, timely, and effective.